Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can use a simple if function to make a length converter. And I have made this bare bones format of a length converter wherein it is not functional but it is actually visually appealing this time. And basically we have two choices, either to convert from inch to centimeter or from centimeter to inches. So I will be providing my choice here and the value in this particular cell, and accordingly my answer would be such that either it would be from inches to centimeters and the answer would be here, and after converting centimeter to inches my answer would be in this particular cell. To do basic data validation, we can either pass in and always remember that whenever we have a limit on the data, we can always use data validation to simplify or reduce chances of making any errors while either typing in the data or copying it and pasting it. There may be some errors, you can copy it something else, so it's better you can always give a data validation there. So there are two choices here, either from inch to centimeter or from centimeters to inches. So we'll go to this particular cell and we'll use the data tab there, and we'll convert this particular cell to use the data validation. So we'll be allowing list here in the validation criteria, and from the source we need to capture these two particular cells and we'll select OK. So you'll get a drop down arrow here which actually tells you that you can actually now select either inch to centimeter or centimeters to inches. We'll keep this aside for now, and now they will go to the inches to centimeter, and here we will start typing equal to if function, and there will be a logical test that we need to perform, and according to the logical test it will be either true or it will be false. If it is true, the first parameter after the logical test will be executed or it will be printed, and if it is false, the third parameter in the if statement will be executed or it is printed. So in this logical test we know that if this cell is equal to this particular cell down there, and we have completed the first parameter there. Now if the value is true, I simply take the value from here and I multiply it with 2.54, which is the conversion factor there, and I hit a comma, and after that if the value is false I will simply give a not applicable there, and I close the bracket and I hit enter. Same we are going to do it in the centimeters to inches case, where I'll pass an if statement. And what is the logical test? I'll rather check this with this. If it is equal to this, then I'll hit a comma, and if the value is true I will simply put the value and divide it with 2.54, and if the statement particularly in the test condition is false, then I will use NA, and I will close the bracket and I will hit enter. Now when you will pass, or rather I would say you will select inches to centimeter, you can see it converts to 0 and the other part remains not applicable. Now we will pass the value, and which value you want to convert from inches to centimeter. Suppose if I hit 10 and I put enter there, you will get 25.4. so your 10 inches has been converted to 25.4 centimeters. And one more thing that you can see here, as you change this from centimeters to inches, so basically now this value is 10 centimeters and the answer would be from centimeters to inches. This converter has converted and it has given a value of 3.93, and it automatically changes the other cell which was from inches to centimeter to NA. That is, this statement becomes false here, and it converts into NA. And you can simply change the value here to get the, suppose if I hit enter 23 here, I'll get the value of inches as 9.054, and you can always convert this. This choice is in your hands to convert either from inches to centimeter or from centimeters to inches. So this was how we can use a simple if statement to make a model, a length converter, and basically this model can again be converted to either a weight converter or any other specific type of a converter. So we have built a converter, and this converter can be, you just need to change some basic parameters there and you can easily get another converter out of it. So that was it for the video. Do like, share and subscribe.